Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen gadgets with a focus on the best corn thresher available in the market. If you're someone who loves fresh corn but finds the process of removing kernels tedious, this tool might just be your new favorite kitchen companion. Let's explore what makes the 2PC's corn peeler corn planer thresher stainless steel corn peeler so special. This corn peeler is designed to make your life easier in the kitchen. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it ensures durability and efficiency. The ergonomic handle not only provides a comfortable grip but also features a convenient hole for easy storage. The serrated design of the blades ensures sharpness and precision, allowing you to remove corn kernels effortlessly with a simple twisting motion. You can strip an entire cob of corn in just 1 minute, thanks to its ability to handle 3 rows of kernels at once. Cleaning is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe, making it a practical choice for busy kitchens. Save time and effort with this tool that promises to remove corn from the cob cleanly and efficiently. Its ergonomic design reduces hand strain, making it suitable for long cooking sessions. Perfect for home chefs and cooking enthusiasts alike, it's a must-have for anyone who enjoys fresh corn dishes. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Simply align the tool with the corn cob, apply a gentle twisting motion, and voila! Fresh corn kernels in seconds. Its sturdy construction ensures it won't rust or weaken over time, promising longevity in your kitchen arsenal. To sum it up, the 2PC's corn peeler corn planer thresher stainless steel corn peeler is a game-changer for corn lovers. Whether you're preparing corn salads, chowders, or simply enjoying corn on the cob, this tool streamlines the process with efficiency and ease. If you're interested in enhancing your kitchen experience, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product critiques like this one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews on Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on the gadgets you love. Until next time, happy cooking!